How to switch music and DJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch between two different music. First of all, open the application. So here, first you must add two different music into this interface. So on the top, simply load two different music. Now on the bottom, there are two different play buttons. So basically when you tap on one, it plays. Now in order to switch it, here, if you tap on another one, it won't play automatically. Here in the middle, you must press this button. So after pressing this button, it will take some time and it will give a automatic transition to another music. So if you want to switch it time and again, you must tap on this play button and again tap on this button on the bottom and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.